This tutorial will show you how to use Office Lens to make a PDF of homework on a cell phone, then turn it in on Google Classroom. You will need your completed paper assignment and a cell phone with the Office Lens and Google Classroom apps installed. Both apps are available for free for both Android devices and iPhones. First, open Google Classroom. If you have multiple students using Google Classroom, you can find the student you are uploading work for by clicking on the circle in the upper right corner. This will pull up a window and allow you to choose the right account for the person you are uploading work for and/or add their account. Once you have the right student, go back to the main screen. Now, open Office Lens. You may need to sign in the first time you use it. You can use your school account. Just click Sign In and add your account. Type in your school email, click the arrow, and then enter your school password. Click Sign In. This will bring you to a camera window. Under the white camera circle, make sure it says Document. Then, line up the page you want to scan in the orange rectangle and press the white circle to scan the page. After you scan the page, you can adjust the page borders by resizing the white lines around your page. When you're done, click Confirm. If you have more than one page to scan for an assignment, click the Add button in the bottom left to scan more pages. Once you're done, click the Done button. To save as a PDF, make sure the box to the right of PDF is checked. This will put all of the pages you just scanned into one document. If you select Gallery, it will save each page as an individual JPEG picture. You should also take the time to change the title of the file. Just click the pencil to the right of the title, and it will allow you to type a new name for your document. Use the title of the assignment and date to make it easier to find the right assignment to submit. When you're done, click Save. Now you're ready to share this PDF to Google Classroom. There are two ways to do this from within Office Lens. The first way is to click on the assignment file to open it, and then click the open triangle in the bottom left corner. You can also just click on the three dots in the bottom left of the assignment icon and then click Share when the window pops up. Either method will bring you to this screen. Look under Share to Apps and scroll until you find the Classroom icon. Click on it and share it to Google Classroom. It should now say Share to Classroom at the top of the page. If this isn't the right classroom for the assignment, click on the small arrow in the upper right corner to open your list of classrooms. Click on the correct classroom for the assignment. Once you've got the right classroom, click Attach to Assignment. This will pull up a window with a listing of all the open assignments for this class. This class only has one. Click on the assignment you want to attach your PDF to. Once you click on the assignment, you'll be brought to its submission page. Click on the small up arrow just above where it says Your Work. You should see the PDF you just attached. From there, click Turn In. Once you've submitted your assignment, you're good to go. If you've made a mistake and need to submit a different document, just click the Unsubmit button and repeat the process with your correct document. And that's all. Now go scan some homework and get it turned in.